This week, the United States took a historic step, acknowledging that some of what we've called unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, are not just unexplained, but may represent phenomena with profound implications. The official disclosure, though carefully worded, sent ripples through scientific and military circles alike. But why now? And what does this mean for the future? First, let's address the elephant in the room. The term UFO has been replaced by unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs, a subtle but significant shift that reflects a growing recognition that these sightings are not just about flying objects, but about behaviors, trajectories, and
government has acknowledged that some of these UAPs could represent advanced technology, whether foreign or potentially from other origins. This language is deliberate, but it also raises critical questions. If we can't explain these phenomena with current science, what does that say about our understanding of physics? Are we looking at a technological leapfrog by another nation, or something far stranger? The second key point is the impact on national security and scientific research. The disclosure comes as the U.S. and other countries are ramping up efforts to study these phenomena seriously. Military pilots, intelligence analysts, and even NASA have been involved in recent investigations, signaling that this is no longer.
Some reports describe objects that appear without origin, move in ways that defy aerodynamics, and even seem to interact with our own technology in unexplained ways. If even a fraction of these accounts hold up under scrutiny, we're facing questions about the nature of reality itself, questions that science has been wrestling with for decades. So why now? Timing isn't accidental. The disclosure comes amid growing public pressure, whistleblower testimonies, and an environment where transparency is becoming non-negotiable. It also coincides with a broader global reckoning on how governments handle classified information and whether the public has a right to know what's happening above our skies. The call to action here isn't just
share your thoughts below. Let's discuss what comes next for science and society.